Welcome back to my channel Chef Pro. So today I've bought a very delicious and tasty recipe for the summer to beat the heat, guys, because the heat is terrible in Kolkata, but today it is raining. Thank God it's raining, guys. Today I'm really happy. So today's recipe is very simple. It's a very easy and delicious recipe. It is a watermelon ice cream recipe. Watermelon ice cream, and it's properly organic, and there's no kinds of extra uh, fragrances, extra types of flavors, nothing like that. It's pure organic. So first we're going to cut our watermelon like this, and you're thinking, why am I cutting it like this, right? Then don't worry, you're going to come to know that reason as well in the upcoming clips. So as you can see, I've taken out the middle part of the watermelon. Now I'm going to cut these up into cubes, and there's a very good reason for that, guys. So as you can see, I'm cutting it into cubes because we have to blend this, and if we're going to blend this, we're not going to be blending it the whole thing. We cannot blend, and as you can hear, it's literally thundering in Kolkata right now, guys. So you have to blend it in a blender with a bunch of things that's going to give it flavor and going to give it a good taste, and it's going to be amazing, guys. Once you have this, you're going to be enjoying it. Then I'm going to be taking some Amul spray. This milk we all used to enjoy, even eating this milk like that, and a lot of us used to have it with Bonvita. Those who used to have it raw and with Bonvita, do comment. I want to know who used to have it, and I till now do that. So take 3 packets, cut those 3 packets, put them in your blender. Then we're going to be taking some cream. You know what cream I'm talking about, right? The proper double cream of rich companies cream. No promotion, guys, just telling you. And I've added 1 cup of cream. Don't add too less, don't add too much. If you want to add more cream, you can definitely. It's going to give a good flavor, good taste. Then we're going to be adding a bit of condensed milk. Don't add too much, because since it's very organic and it's very healthy as well, and kids are going to enjoy it just like I did. So definitely add some condensed milk, not too much, because too much sweetness is not good. Then just blend it up nicely, and once you blend it up, you can see what I've done. I've taken that watermelon, I've put a full saran wrap around it, and we're going to be filling it in this. Now you're going to know why, because just keep watching this video. You're going to understand why have I done this, right? Then we're going to be covering it with a foil. Cover with a foil because it should be covered nicely, and this way it will be better also. So I've covered it up with a foil, as you can see. And now what I'm going to be doing is put in the freezer and show you the next day after 24 hours. You're going to be checking on this, and trust me, guys, you're going to be surprised what you see. Now as you can see, I've taken it out from the freezer, right? Now just look at that, just look at how it's formed, just look at how nicely it is ready to enjoy. So now you're going to be cutting it in a special way, so that your kids or your family members, they'll see it and they'll be very shocked based on the way I've cut it. Now just look at that, I've cut it into this kind of a way, so you can just eat it like a watermelon, guys. Just enjoy it. And once you try this recipe, let me know in the comments, because I know a lot of you are going to enjoy it. And once you enjoy this recipe, let me know in the comments. I'll be seeing you in the next video. That's it for today. See you next time, guys. Do enjoy my videos. More videos are coming soon. Keep liking, sharing, subscribing with your friends. They're going to enjoy. And that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Bye bye, guys.